how to transfer from Binance to Bitget. So we're going to transfer from Binance to Bitget, and obviously a lot of people have an issue on how you're supposed to do this, so it's really simple. Because traders can transfer cryptocurrencies from one exchange account to another, and there's a proper detailed tutorial on how you're supposed to do this. So first of all, you're going to make sure that your Bitget and Binance are both well and good running. Now once you do that, when you're going to come to your Binance account and you're going to go into your assets, okay? And once you have gone into your Binance's assets, what you're going to do from there, you're going to get full information about your funds. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to make a withdrawal from Binance. Now, once you go and make a withdrawal from Binance, you're going to get a withdrawal section. It's going to ask you to complete the security tab and all. And once you withdraw it, basically, it's going to give you the whole thing that you have withdrawn your currency. So what you're going to do from there is you're going to take the withdrawal address, okay? Because when you withdraw any type of cryptocurrency, it gives you a withdrawal address. You're going to make sure to copy that address, okay? You cannot discard that address. That address is vital. So you are going to copy that address, okay? And you're going to come to your Bitget. And once you come into Bitget, you can either go into your markets or you can come to your spot page. And once you come to your spot page, you are going to want to make sure to remember if, like, let's say we transferred USDT from our Binance, you're going to come to your fiat and spot page. Okay, and in your fiat and spot page, you can either do your basic spot trading, but over here you can't really go ahead and add an address. So just come to your basic spot, choose the currency, and once you choose the currency, you're going to take the withdrawal address that you got from Binance, you're going to paste it into your Bitget, and then you're going to click on withdraw. Okay, make sure both the accounts are logged in, and yeah, that pretty much should get you set to go. So that is how you can withdraw from your Binance to your Bitget. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.